Danny from South Belt has a question about atticless insulation.
Well, he's sheetrocking a gutted house. Okay, got a lot of that going on. Danny writes, we put the roof on with heat barrier, and the den's sheetrock screws directly to the rafters of the roof. And they're 2x8s, and so there's only about 7 inches of space in there. And the big boxes are trying to sell him R30 that's 9 inches thick. And he's thinking that radiant barrier, Tom, needs airspace. He wants to know, what does he do with this?
No, it definitely needs airspace. Now, you could get baffles and put them up in there, squish the insulation to it, but you're not going to get an R30 unless you give it that full 9 inches. So you do need an airspace of minimum 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. It doesn't have to be a lot. You just don't want to push it up against it. You could do an R13 and have a big airspace, but you don't get the R value. Personally, when we used to get into these situations, we would fur down the rafters a little bit.
What does that mean?
Take a 2x2 and put it right on the bottom of the rafters, nail it real securely. It gives you about another 1.5 inches, and that way you can go ahead and put that insulation in there. Just don't pack it up real tight. Keep it back away just a little bit from that radiant barrier, and you will get the best of both worlds.
You get the best of all the answers from him. Send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Check out these videos over here. And, of course, we'd love if you subscribe to our channel.